All right. LeetCode 217 contains duplicates. So this says given an integer array nums. So we're given some type of array, well, integer array that's called nums. You want to return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. So it needs to be in there more than once. And return false if every element is distinct. So this is going to be true because one appears at least twice, exactly twice. This one's distinct, so it's false. So you return a true if it's not distinct. If every element is not distinct. If every element is distinct, return false. Meaning that there isn't any duplicates, pretty much. Pretty much that's what it means. Return false if there's no duplicates. If there's any duplicates, return true. True because there's duplicates here. And one way that I will solve that is I'll use a set. If I use a set, it's going to allow me to, a set is only going to allow unique values in there. So I can continue add numbers to a set, and as long as that set is, as long as the values in those sets are distinct, it will add them. But if it's a copy or a number that's already in there, it won't add it. So then what you can do by using a set, you can compare the numbers. So you can say, well, you don't even need to compare the numbers. You can just add it to the set, and if it's already in the set, just return false. Otherwise, return true, and that's what we'll do. Easy enough. So let's do that. We'll do a hash set. So a hash set, and we'll use integer, and we'll call this a set is equal to a new hash set, diamond brackets, and then we'll iterate through the array. So we're going to iterate through an array. So we use a for loop. For int I equals 0 while I is less than nums dot length. We're going to increment I plus plus, and then we're going to say if set dot contains, I think it is contains nums at I. We're going to return true because that means it's already in there. So we don't have to count anymore because we say, okay, this is a duplicate. We are done. We found the duplicate, return true. Otherwise, we can just add it to that set. Set dot add nums at I. And then if that is not the case, or when we're done, we will return false. So what this is saying is we're creating this set. Like I said, in a set you can keep adding things, and they're only going to be unique. But we're going to return true as soon as we find something that we try to put in there. We try to put a number in there that's already in there. We'll just return true there. Otherwise, we'll add it to that set. And then once we're done, if it goes through this whole set and it doesn't hit this true condition right here, then we can return false, meaning that every number in there is unique because it never hit this set contains. So we'll go ahead and run that. All the test cases pass, hit submit, and we should be good.